Share Spotify music on Instagram. Hey everyone, what's up? Leonardo Paiva back with another video, and in this video I'll show you how to share a Spotify song on your Instagram step by step. Before that, I invite you to subscribe to the channel where I always make several tutorials to make things easier for you. So guys, there are already other videos about Spotify and Instagram here on the channel. If you have any questions or are curious, I'll leave a playlist in the description box that can help you. And in this video, you'll learn how to share a Spotify song on Instagram. So let's go guys. The first step is for you to choose the song you want to share. So I've already chosen my song here. It's the song that's playing right now. You're going to open the music player here, and you'll notice that down here there's going to be the share icon. So you're going to click on that share icon. I'm going to choose history here, then click down here on this little arrow. Here you choose who you want to share it with, your close friends or in your story directly, and click on share below. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll leave it there. Big hug. Stay with God. Thank you guys.